In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Selleramp SAS. Selleramp is a powerful product analyzer that brings together Amazon and Keepa data to help you make smarter buying decisions. It quickly checks profit, ROI, fees, sales velocity, and competition so you can decide whether an item is worth sourcing. Start by opening the product you want to analyze. You can do this from an Amazon listing or a supplier's product page. Find the item by name, ASIN, or even by scanning a barcode if you have it. Once you're on the correct product page, you're ready to bring Selleramp into the picture. Click the Selleramp Chrome extension and give it a moment to load. A panel will appear with all the relevant data. This keeps everything in one place so you don't have to jump between tools. First, check whether you can sell the product. Look at restrictions to see if your account is eligible, and pay attention to any hazmat or intellectual property alerts. If there are variation issues, make sure you're matching the exact size, color, or pack quantity. Selleramp will clearly indicate whether the product is sellable for your account. Next, evaluate whether the product actually sells. Review the best sellers rank, or BSR, the estimated sales per month, and the number of sellers on the listing. As a quick rule, a lower BSR usually means faster sales, while a high number of sellers means tougher competition and potential price pressure. Now check profitability. Enter your cost price and add shipping if needed. Selleramp will automatically calculate ROI, profit, Amazon fees, and the break-even price. As a guideline, aim for at least a 30% ROI and a profit of $3 to $5 or more. Remember, ROI is your profit divided by cost, and the break-even price is the minimum you can sell for without losing money. Then, review the competition. Look at how many FBA and FBM sellers there are and whether they have deep stock. Generally, 2 to 10 sellers is a comfortable range, while 20 or more makes it harder to win the buy box and maintain your price. Scroll down to the embedded Keepa chart inside Selleramp. Check if the price has been stable, whether sales appear frequent, and whether Amazon is on the listing. Stable pricing and consistent sales are good signs. If Amazon is consistently in stock, that can limit your sales and pricing power. Finally, make your decision. Buy if the product is profitable, sells quickly, and has manageable competition. Skip it if the profit is too low, sales are weak, or there are too many sellers. Follow this process consistently, and Selleramp will help you source with confidence.